Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine. That's good. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 3. It's a beautiful poem with title, My Family. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today we'll continue reciting and understanding the poem and we'll cover the SLO, recite the short poems with action. Let's start with the beautiful dua mentioned in Quran, Surah Ibrahim, verse 41. Our Lord, forgive me and my parents and all the believers on the day of judgment. Yes, my dear children, yesterday I told you about this verse. It's a beautiful dua and we are asking forgiveness. Forgive me, oh our Lord, forgive me, my parents and all the believers. Ameen. So beta, this is how we should make dua every day for ourselves, for our parents, and for all the Muslim Ummah. So this verse is telling us the importance of our parents, the importance of our family. There were few things we discussed about our family yesterday. So you tell me, how do you help your mother in household chores? Means the little work at home. Do you have, yesterday I gave you a homework to help your mama in cleaning your room. Did you do that? Okay. So how did you do that? Tell to your teacher. Pause the video and tell to your teacher, how did you do that? Yes, my dear children, all of you answered it. Good job. All of you help your mama. That's very good, beta. And you have to do this every day, okay? And here we have recited this poem. Did you practice reciting the poem at home? Okay, I'm going to check it. Teachers, kindly make 3 groups of class. And I will ask one stanza to one group and second to second and third to third. Let's see who has practiced well. Okay, so pause the video, make 3 groups. Yes, my dear children, are you ready? So group 1 is going to recite this stanza with actions. Okay, so pause the video, recite it. Your teacher is giving you points. Done? Good job. Now it's turn for group 2. Group 2, you are going to recite this stanza. Okay. And lastly is group 3. Here you go. You will recite this stanza. Yes, my dear children, all of you recited the poem. Let's see. Teacher, kindly tell to the students like which group is the best in the performance, but I believe all of you practiced well. That's good. So after the announcement of the result, all of you settle down. We are going to understand the rest of the poem. Okay, so let's start from this point where we left yesterday. All of you open your book and I'm going to read it from here. You are my family, my special family. And now we know what does family mean, and we also know what does special mean. Special means which is very important for you. Like family, you take very important and they are different from rest of everyone, right? So everyone's family is special. How? Yesterday we discussed few things, because our family take very good care of ourselves. Whenever we are in difficult situation, family helps us. Whenever we need help, whenever we are not well, for example, if one is sick, so rest of the family is there to help that person. So this is better. There are many situations, there are many things in which family, for example, you are children, so your mama helps you in like serving you food, in providing you dresses, and Baba also takes very good care of yourself. Like this is how family is special for us. And all these things tell us there is something on us we should do for them, and what that can be. We help each other in every way, right? So we should help our family. It doesn't matter one is young or not. We can help our family. The way I told you, you can help your mama in cleaning your room, and what else? You can help each other in study. When you are in park, you play with each other. Do love your parents. This is how they feel good. And there are few things further we can do. What those things are? When mom is cooking, so beta, you are too young, you should not go in kitchen alone. But when mama is there, you can go and join your mama. Okay, and you can help your mama in little things, for example, in placing dishes and in providing stuff to mama, and in serving food, you can place food to table. And these are little things which you can help your mama. And when dad is cleaning, or washing his car, his bicycle, you can help him. But be careful, you should not do such type of things unsupervised. Whenever mama and baba are around, you can help them. So this is how you will learn the things, and this is how you can help them in little things. So I like to help them every day. These are the things which poetess do every day. She helps her mama in cooking and baba in cleaning. So you should also do help your parents, and better there are little things which you can do. You should not make mess. When you reach home, you should place all the stuff at the proper place. Like your stuff should not be scattered around. Place your bag at its place. Your uniform, you should hang it in your cupboard. Place your shoes in your shoe rack, and all this stuff should be organized. This is also a way to help your family. Okay, and study well. It is help. Like your parents send you to school, you should work hard. This is how we can help our family, and you should show it as well. Hug your mama, hug your baba, tell them they are very special to you, right? That's great. So this is how we understand the poem, and it's time for activity once again. All of you join together and recite this beautiful poem. Yes, children, are you done with it? Good. Now you understand the poem, you have recited it. It's time for comprehension and homework. Comprehension means now I'll find how did you understand the poem. Practice the reciting of poem with actions, okay, and help your mother in cleaning your room. This homework I gave you yesterday, and I'm repeating it because as we learnt in the poem, the poets do it every day. So now you know how to clean your room, so you should do it every day. All right, here is a worksheet. This is a cleaning worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, worksheet and PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do? Mother told a little boy to find his toys and clean up the room. Can you help the boy in finding the room? You will color this worksheet and find all the toys. And I believe my children are not like that. You place your toys at the proper place. Okay. So what we have learned today? We learned to recite the short poems with action. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.